Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our preparation for Elastic Certified Observability Engineering exam, and today with a new topic, which is define an alert using Kibana Alerts. So we come here, like there is multiple ways to define the alerts. Like we can come here to Slack or Stack management, and you come here to alerts and insight, and you click on rule, or you can go to, for example, here observability, and for example here inventory, and here you find alerts. Like you click here, create an inventory, but we have this problem, right? If your environment is similar to my environment, then you will face the same issue. And this one, like we are missing one of the configuration or one of the parameters that we have to add in Kibana and restart Kibana to be able to use rules or alerts. So this one is we are missing this configuration. So I will copy. I'm opening here the kibana.yaml. So I will add it here. So it's this key, and I will generate the key. So you can give any random key, or you can use this tool from Kibana. So you do. I'll copy the command, and here we go. Another binary. Yes, the binary is here. Here we go. We have this, so I will copy it as it is, right? So I will copy it like this. Here we go. I will save, and let's restart. I will restart Kibana and come back. Here we go. I have stopped Kibana. Now let's start it again. All right, so I started. Let's give it a few seconds. I will refresh from here. Okay, let's give it a few seconds to start, and we will see how we can create a rule. Right, so let's refresh now. Perfect, it's coming. Here we go. So now if we click here on the alerts, right? So if I click create rule here, now I have how to create a rule, or the same if I go to stack management, right? And rules here, I can create rule. So it's the same thing. So from here, like you can create a rule for everything, right? And here, like if you are in the, for example, in the inventory, here you will create rules only related to the inventory. So if I click here, so for example, for the infrastructure, and click create, I will say I will give it a name like for example, CPU usage, for example, CPU, or tag I say production prod, right? So here for host, when CPU is above let's say above, yes, above, let's say 80%, right? So 80% is too high. I mean here we will not see any example, or sorry, any alerts. It will not generate any alert, but like in the purpose of the demo, I will make it 30%. This is just to see. So this 30%, which is like here, it's METs. For the last, so the look back time is 1 minute. So it's depend on the scenario, or depend on the criticality of your production environment. So if you want to look every look back for 1 minute, like the data that's coming, or the metrics in this case that are coming in the last 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then you can define it from here. So here let's say 10 minutes. Here we go. So I will add here, for example, this one is coming. Okay. I will do, let's do 1 hour. Perfect. So here, the alerts, yeah, this is also an interesting feature. Like if there is, like if the agent stops sending the alerts or sorry, stop sending the metrics, and you want to get notified if the agent is disconnected or is not sending metrics for a reason or another, then you can check this one, and it will generate, or it will send you an alert, right? If you want to filter by host name, by cloud provider, by region, by zone, then you will be able to filter your query or your alerts or rule here, right? And another point, or the last one in the rule logic, it's like you want to run it every 1 minute, every 1 minute. Your detection engine or your rule here go and check the logic, or every 5 minutes, every 10 hour, then you can do it from here easily, right? And lastly is the action. So you want to send a notification to Slack, you want to automate the response by using swim lane, or you want to send a notification to Teams or email. Like, there is a lot of options here that you can integrate directly with actions here from Elastic. Or if it didn't support, like for example the Hive, or using another ticketing system or other solution that it's not here, then you can use the webhook to configure or to send the notification to your platform, right? So here, let me just modify this one. So let's do for the last one 1 minute. Give it a few seconds. Let's say 10%, for example. I know it's really low, like no one will check for the 10%, but just for the purpose of the demo. So I will save the rule. Give it a few seconds to save. Perfect. So here, if you want to see the alerts, then you can come here and wait for the alerts, or the same, like you can go to stack management, and here you come to the rules. Here, like you see our rule, right? So this is the name, when last time it ran, the interval or the lookback time, or it will run every 1 second. 1 minute. And yeah, let's enable it. If you want to disable the rule, then you can just disable it. Like for example, if it's make a lot of noise or generate a lot of alerts, then you can disable it. Or if you want, for example, to modify, if you want to modify the rule, then you can click directly here and you go and you do a modification for your rule, right? So let's see just this one. Perfect. So let's now go back. So as you can see, if we go now back to the stack management, if we go to the rules, we can see our rule, right? If we click on it, then here it will give us more details. If we go to observability, and if we go to alerts, right? And if we click here on manage rules, and we click on the rule, this one, so here you can see the details about its active, the name, how many execution, did we get an alert? Yes, this is some information or more information. This is more details about the alert, right? If you want to modify, then you can edit it from here, and the other thing that you can do is also from here, right? With that being said, let me know in the comment section if you have any question or any issue, and we'll see you in the next video.